because I can see.
Reu uria wari mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya utamburukia wa maahinya Peter Mangiti hamwe na andu angi 22 aria maragumiirwo ni ciira wa uici wa kigina kia ciringi milioni 47 kia mbeu njithi no mahumuke thutha wa igoti guteaniria ciira uyu kumana na wagi wa wira mukinyaniru. Mangiti na aruna ake maakinyitwo igoti-ini magikuirwo ati kuri tariki 12 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka wa 2014 ni manyitanire guthamia mbeca ici akaunti-ini cia Google undu uria makanire. Hamwe na thitango iria iramagumiire ni uhuthiri muru wa wabici kwaga gutia mawatho makonie uguri wa indo cia thirikari na kuhenania uguri-ini wa indo.
About 28 September 2015, being holders of an account in the name of Brewster Enterprises at Paramount Bank, fraudulently acquired 45,137,931.25 cents from Ministry of Devolution and Planning, National Youth Service, being proceeds of supply of training materials in automotive engineering faculty that was irregularly awarded.
No ona kuhanoro uguo mwena wa thitango ndunahota kuruta wira muiganu wa kumakuruhania na thitango ici.
There is no evidence or nexus showing that the accused persons in count 6 conspired with members of the evaluation committee or the ministerial tender committee. Fraud is a key ingredient for an offence under the section. It must be proven beyond reasonable doubt that the actions of 17 and 18 accused persons were fraudulent.
Agitetera Mangiti augete ati wira wake mutaratara-ini wa uguri wa indo wari guthagania kamiti ya mwanya ya kuheana kandarathi na gwikira thaini kandarathi icio na akihoya igoti riteanirie ciira uyu. Ona kuhanoro uguo Mangiti no arakuruhanio na uici wa ciringi milioni 791 cia ruhonge ruru mari hamwe na ekwirwo angi ta Ben Githi, Josephine Kafura na angi aingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.